Good morning, students. Now in chapter 6, lines and angles. Next topic is angle sum property of a triangle. So theorem related to this topic. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Clear? So here triangle PQR, its interior angles are angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. We have to prove that according to this theorem, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Clear, students? Now see the proof. Now we have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Now draw a line XY passing through the vertex P and parallel to the side QR. Clear? So XPY is a line. XPY is a line. We can say that XPY is a line. So angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 will be equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree because XPY is a line. Clear? Now because XY is parallel to QR. Clear? So angle 4 will be equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles, and angle 5 will be equal to angle 3, alternate interior angles. Clear? So put angle 4 is equal to angle 2 here and angle 5 is equal to angle 3 in equation 1. Clear? So we have angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, or we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, or we can say that sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Clear? Now next theorem. If a side of a triangle is produced, then exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So according to this theorem, let triangle PQR and its side QR is produced to RS. Clear? Its side QR is produced from the point R to S. Clear? Then angle 4 will be exterior angle. So according to this theorem, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So angle 4 is exterior angle and angle 4 is exterior angle and interior angles opposite to this angle are angle 1 and angle 2. So we can say that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. It means exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Clear? Now see the example. In the given figure, we have to find x and y. TQR is 40 degree given, SPR 30 degree given, and QT is perpendicular to PR. It is given. So we have to find x and y. Now, in triangle QTR, see here, x plus 90 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 130 degree. In triangle QTR, x plus 90 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree, because angle sum property of a triangle. According to angle sum property of a triangle, sum of all interior angles is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree, you can write. So x will be equal to 50 degree. So x is equal to 50 degree. Clear? So here x is equal to 50 degree. Now in triangle PSR, y will be equal to 30 degree plus angle x. Clear? X is 50 degree, so 30 degree plus 50 degree. 30 degree plus 50 degree will be equal to 80 degree. So angle y will be equal to this angle plus this angle, because exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So here exterior angle is angle y and opposite interior angles are 30 degree and x. So we can say that y will be equal to 30 plus x. Put the value of x is 50 degree. So y will be equal to 30 plus 50 is equal to 80 degree. Clear? Now next example. In this figure, angle SPR is given, angle PQT is given. We have to find angle PRQ. Angle PRQ means this angle we have to find. Clear? So firstly, we have to find angle PRQ. This angle we have to find. So let angle 1 and angle 2. Clear? So angle 1 plus 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 will be equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree will be equal to 45 degree. Angle 1 is equal to. Clear? So angle 1 plus angle 35 will be 180 because linear pair. Clear? Now angle 2 plus 110 . So here angle 1 will be 45 degree. Now angle 2 plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Clear? So angle 2 will be 180 degree minus 110. So angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. Clear? So angle 2 is equal to 70 degree and angle 1 is equal to 45 degree. Angle 1 is 45 and angle 2 is 70 degree. Now in triangle PQR, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. So put the value of angle 1 and 2. So 45 degree plus 70 degree plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So angle R will be equal to angle 115 degree plus angle R. 115 degree plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So angle R will be equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree, which will be equal to 65 degree. So angle R means angle PRQ or angle QRP you can write. So angle R is equal to 65 is the answer. Clear? Now see next example. Here AB is parallel to DE given, BAC is equal to 35 degree given, CDE is equal to 53 degree given. You have to find angle DCE. DCE means this angle. Clear? So because AB is parallel to DE, therefore see again, we have to find angle DCE. DCE means this angle. We have to find out. Clear? Now see here, this angle will be equal to 35 degree because AB is parallel to DE. Therefore angle E will be equal to 35 degree, alternate interior angle. Clear? Now in triangle DCE, in triangle DCE, 53 degree plus 35 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle means angle, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. So angle D is 53 degree and angle E is 35 degree and angle C you have to find is equal to 180 degree. So 88 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. 88 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 88 degree. So angle C is equal to 92 degree. Clear? Angle C is equal to 92 degree. So angle C means angle DCE. So we can say that angle DCE is equal to 92 degree is the answer. Clear? Now next example, in this figure angle SQR is 28 degree, angle QRT is 65 degree. You have to find X and Y, and PQ is perpendicular to RS, so this angle will be 90 degree. Clear? You have to find X and Y. Now see here, because line PQ is parallel to SR. Clear? PQ is parallel to SR, so angle S will be equal to X, means this angle is equal to X. Clear? Now 65 degree will be equal to X plus 28 degree. because exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Clear? So x will be equal to 65 degree minus 28 degree, which will be equal to 37 degree. So x is equal to 37 degree. Clear? X is equal to 37 degree. X is equal to 37 degree. Now, in triangle PQS, x plus y plus 90 is equal to 180. Angle sum property of triangle x plus y plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So put the value of x 37 degree plus y plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 degree, sorry, y will be equal to 180 degree minus 127 degree, means y will be equal to 180 degree minus 127 degree. So which will be equal to, y will be equal to 3 and 5, 53 degree. Clear? So x will be 37 degree and y will be 53 degree. Clear, students? So now you have to solve all questions related to this topic. Okay, students? Thank you.